Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is another installment of Finish It Friday, and this one was super fun. Stop rocking. Super fun, super cute. Oh man, so the Finish It Friday is Debbie. Her name was Debbie, and let me show you guys. This is what she looked like on the cover of the kit I found at an antique store, and this is the Deb I made. The Debbie I made. Let me show you. There you go. I was trying to hold her right. So I am so super thankful that the felt that was in this kit was printed, so all I had to do was just cut around the lines. You're supposed to sew it with the embroidery floss. The embroidery floss that came in the kit, and I was like, I'm not sewing that, so I just ended up using some fabric tack glue and just glued it. I am so in love with her. Absolutely adorable. I do have the top pinned down, the hat pinned down. I didn't glue it. I don't want to glue things to dolls' hairs or anything like that, but there she is. So if you notice, if the pattern, see the arms? Hold on, let me set this down so I can point out what I'm talking about. See the arms right here and right here? And you notice how they look like super long? Yeah, when I did that pattern, I followed everything, the hook size, I followed, the color changing, all that. I did exactly how they wanted it. Oh, excuse me, except for the arms. The arms, I was like, this is the weirdest pattern for arms of a doll or an amigurumi I have ever done. You crocheted like, what was it? Crocheted like, you chain 5 or 4, single crochet in the second, single crochet in each remaining, chain 1, turn, single crochet back, and then you chain, slip stitch around, and then you work like this super long piece for an arm and then attach a little hand like normal. And then you just sew that little chunk, the little flap that you worked to the body, and then you leave the top open. So you see how you can see the polyfill right there coming out? I was like, I am not doing that. I don't like that at all. First, they're too long, and second, why would you leave that open? So I was like, I'll do what I know how to do. So I just did a little circle of 8, worked it down, and then held it to the body, and I thought, yep, that looks good, and I went with that. So there's little Miss Deb. I think she's so stinking cute. I love it. So I'm going to add her to my little collection. And, where can I set this? I had a significant amount of yarn left. So here's what I have left of the blue. There's a little strand right there. And then this white, which I can use for scrap with something. And then I got all the embroidery floss left because I didn't use that. And then I have that little bit of polyfill left. And here's the pattern. Easy. I had a lot of fun making that. So let's get into drawing the next. Still, fingers are crossed that I get a Grafgan. I'm so ready to try that. Opening. All right, let's get the projects. Okay. Unfolding, and it is Finished Doll. I started an amigurumi book I have. All right, that's an easy one. Okay, let me put this back. Loud pop. And I'm just going to stand up and grab it real quick because it's right here. So I started a doll out of this book. This is Crochet Amigurumi Doll Pattern Book. I don't remember. It's funny. It says pattern books. There's only one book. Anywho, so as you can see, I have the hands done. Well, it looks like I have one hand and one arm done. But I don't remember which one I was making, and I don't remember why I stopped working on it. Let's see. Okay, I was making, let's see, one of these two. I don't remember which one I wanted to make. But that is next week's project. This one might take a little bit. It's interesting because, man, I hate not knowing which one I was doing. But anyway, I will get this done and she will be added to the collection. This is cute. They have a little section where it shows putting makeup on her. So I'm going to be making the body, the hair, the clothes. She's got everything. All right. Her name is Doll Monica. So this is another project that's going to eat up a lot of my scraps, which I am not complaining. Man, I don't know which one I want to make. I don't know. I was trying to guess off of the color of yarn that I'm using for the arms, but I'm not sure. All right. So that was a fast and easy one. So I will work as much as I can and get this done. And I'm excited. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.